The hefty amount of rain that we picked up last night into early this morning is about a month's worth for Rockford. And today, 1.4 inches of rainfall. Now, typically we see 1.6 throughout the whole month, and this is rain and melted snow. It puts us near 4 inches of liquid precipitation on the month. That is the second wettest February on record, not too far off of 2019, only a few years ago, at just over 4 inches of liquid precipitation. So again, taking all the snow, melting it down, then adding rain to that. So it's no wonder that we're seeing flood watches and possibility of minor flooding later this week. We thankfully have some dry days. So tomorrow and Wednesday, some sunshine, temperatures near 50, but we have to watch out for more rainfall into tomorrow night. And then March is no stranger to snowfall. Could see that again by the time we get to Friday. Leading up to that point, though, 32 for tonight under a slowly clearing skies. We do get to see some sunshine at times tomorrow. Overall, looking at a partly cloudy day as we await that rain going into the late evening hours. Temperatures near 50 again, just like we saw as of today. Winds do switch directions. A fairly calm day overall. So as we look at the overall situation when it comes to any kind of flooding, the Sugar River upgraded to a flood warning. So minor flooding expected from Broadhead into northern Winnebago County. Then flood watches still out for the Rock River and the Pecatonica River, so still kind of waiting and seeing just how much flooding may occur. So we'll keep an eye on those river levels all throughout the rest of the week. Again, just getting that upgrade not too long ago. The watch still means heads up as you go from about Roscoe Rockton towards Loves Park. That stretch of the river could flood as a result of all of this rain that we've picked up recently. And more is on the way. Like I mentioned, we go into tomorrow evening. You can see here at about 8 o'clock tomorrow in the evening hours. That's when we see some light rain showers returning. A lot of that falls closer to 9 o'clock. And then from 9 o'clock to midnight, we're seeing a light rainfall across the area. May even get a couple snowflakes trying to mix in southern Wisconsin. All that rain is out early. And thankfully, this next round of rain only about 1/4 of an inch. So really not seeing a ton, but it's not necessarily going to allow us to dry out and allow those river levels to drop fully. And like I mentioned, later this week, there is a snow chance on Friday. It might depend on the storm track. It could very well miss us to the south. March does average about 5 inches for snowfall. So again, the new month, which is coming in just a couple days, isn't a stranger to seeing some snow. March 1st, by the way, 53 degrees under a bright sunny sky. And then there's that 36 and that chance for snow on Friday. So the first couple days of March, definitely all over the place. Sunshine and warmth return this weekend. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, for the most part, we stay above average. There could be some colder days going into the middle of the month. We'll have to keep an eye on that. You can see that wintry weather just doesn't want to go away just yet, even though we're heading into the month of March. By the way, hit the bullseye in the 4-degree guarantee. Cash total now up to 65.
All right, more money in the bank for us, Alex. Thanks.